Alright, welcome back. Thanks for coming back. Alright, let's get started. We're going to model this up. It's going to be quick. Maybe 8-10 minutes of your time. Appreciate it. Let's go ahead and start a new folder or a new window. And it's going to be a metric. We're going to go ahead and get started on a 2D sketch on the XY plane. It's on the front view. Start with the rectangle. And it's going to be 85 millimeter. Hit your tab on your keyboard by 62. Right click OK. Go ahead and delete the back line. And we're going to sketch the back part of it. And it's going to be 12 millimeter down, 7 millimeter to the left. It's going to be 38 millimeter straight down, back over 7, and then down to 12. We'll go ahead and create another rectangle inside this one, and it's going to be 66 millimeter. Hit your tab key by 57. Right click OK. Let's position this. It's going to be it's going to be 2.5 millimeter. Right click OK. Let's make sure that this is 12. Perfect. Perfect. Finish sketch. We're going to extrude this face in both directions. It's going to be 25 millimeter. Hit your plus to apply and create new extrusion. We're going to extrude the center portion in both directions. It's going to be 15 millimeter. And you can hit enter. Okay. So we're going to create another sketch on the XY plane. The origin, XY plane. We're going to start off with a circle that is 22 millimeter. Perfect. Let's go ahead and position this here to here. 25 millimeter. And from here to here, it's going to be 22 millimeter. Right click OK. Create another circle. It's going to be 44 millimeter. Right click OK. Now let's go ahead and do some arcs. The bottom, somewhere right around this area. It's going to be 18 millimeter arc. And then there's going to be another one right here that's going to be a 9 millimeter arc. Right click OK. Create a line so we can extrude this feature from here to here. And also we're going to go straight down to close the loop. Just like that. Right click OK. So let's go ahead and constrain these arcs. Make sure that they're tangent to one another. Well, go back one. Okay, tangent from here Okay, let's create a line, and it's going to be a construction line. And it doesn't have to be anything too fancy. Just like that. And we're going to constrain that. There we go. Perfect. See what I just did there? All I did was create a line, make sure it's a construction line, started at the origin, moved it over, it was over 1 millimeter. It doesn't have to be but a half a millimeter. It's just a construction line to make sure that these are tangent to one another. Okay, go back to front. Let's go ahead and close this loop here. Make sure that they're tangent. Let's go ahead and just go ahead and make a new arc here from here to here. Okay, and this was 18 millimeter. Okay, I still have the construction line active, so all we need to do is make sure that these are constrained to be tangent to one another, just like that. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. Trim this circle. Okay. So that is all sketched up, and it's all constrained, it's all tangent to one another with all these arcs. Perfect. So we have to create this feature here. Perfect. Okay, while we're still in the XY plane, we're going to go ahead and just splice it down the middle and create some circles here that are 6 millimeter. Okay. Turn that off. Create another circle that's 6 millimeter. Right click OK. Perfect. We're going to go ahead and close the loop. That's already tangent. And that's tangent. So let's just make sure that these two over here are tangent. Perfect. So hit F8. All 4 of these are tangent. Hit F9 to hide. Let's go ahead and trim there. Let's go ahead and dimension from here to here. That's going to be 22 millimeter. 22 millimeter. And dimension this line, which is 18 millimeter. Just like that. Perfect. Now we can finish the sketch and extrude this face both directions, 50 millimeter. Hit apply. We're going to extrude this feature, and we're going to make a cut in both directions and hit apply or OK. And there you go. Easy. Pretty simple part. It's all about the basics right now. Then we'll move on to more complicated parts. Let's go ahead and chamfer 2.5. this through hole and this through feature. Hit apply, cancel. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Well, thanks for watching. Let me know if you go ahead and sketch this up. I'll leave a link in the description below for a 30-day free trial. Now, I don't get any kickback or anything like that. It's just a link on Autodesk.com for a free trial. It's not a referral link. So, thanks for watching.